हम्म।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू डियर पापा, जिसे हम लोग बाबूजी के नाम से बुलाते हैं। आज बाबूजी का 95th बर्थडे है। बहुत साल पहले बाबूजी ने एक सपना देखा था। एकदम अलग लाइन, एजुकेशन की लाइन में उन्होंने प्रवेश करने की इच्छा जाहिर की थी और उन्होंने एक आशा का दीपक जलाया था कि मुझे अब एजुकेशन लाइन में इसलिए जाना चाहता हूँ कि अगर एक भी बच्चा परिवार में पढ़ता है तो उसकी पीढ़ियां दर पीढ़ियां कभी भूखी नहीं रह सकती। ये सोच के उन्होंने एक दीपक जलाया और उस दीपक को मंजिल तक ले जाने का काम हमारे प्रेजेंट चेयरमैन श्री दीपक सर ने किया है। आज हम पूना में 2 स्कूल और नोएडा में 1 स्कूल चला रहे हैं और इन फ्यूचर आप लोगों के गुड विशेस से मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि हम आगे इस एजुकेशन लाइन को बहुत आगे तक ले जाएं। ऑल द बेस्ट and love you, Papa.
I'm so very grateful for the privilege that bestowed on me. The very advent of Kothari family into the school sector began with a dream of Babuji, who was a visionary, had a great belief that the future of India actually is made in the schools of the country. And he was very fortunate, very lucky to have in Deepak ji a very committed son who wanted to give a shape to the father's dream. That's how the first school, the Kothari International School in Noida, was born. And the journey that had begun had only seen a continuous growth in spite of many trials and tribulations, and moved ahead with kind of an expansion with the 2 schools now that we have in Pune, one named after the great Babuji. When I met him, I was very, very, shocked and surprised to see such a man with so much of humility in him. I mean, no success, the arrogance of success had ever shown on his face. He was all the time smiling, inspiring, and encouraging at that times. And it's never easy. It's never easy to make a movement so successful unless you're dedicated, committed, and have a cause to live for. And that's what Babuji was. His life, a great example for all of us to emulate. When disruptions occurred, he had only seen opportunities. And those opportunities were challenges. And then he had the acumen, he had the courage to take upon these challenges and pursue a path that led him to success. Today's times are new times for us. With the tremendous amount of disruption that has occurred in our schools due to the pandemic, has actually shown a lot of opportunities and a great challenges. Who could be better to remember than Babuji and see the way what he would have done under these circumstances? And I'm sure he would have found a great opportunity and found a way to move forward. And that's what we get from page of his life. Deepak ji has a vision and fortitude, and is a man with a lot of resilience. These challenges were accepted and the pain is taken, but the work is never left. You continue with your work, with your journey, and then you work with a purpose and you will see success. MKNS, in the last 9 years of its existence, has gradually evolved and become one of the best in the area. And it had been consistent, though it had its own difficult times. But in the history of any institution, there would be times when you have challenges, you have the troubles and the tribulations, and you would work hard to overcome them. That's what Team MKNS did and has been doing. I'm actually proud of the team MKNS, and to them on this Founders Day, there's only one message: keep going, keep growing, and keep glowing. My humble homage to Babuji for his vision, for what he has given to us to continue with. And I also thank Mr. Deepak Kothari and Mrs. Kothari and for their continuous support in the endeavors that you do. Good luck. God bless. Thank you.
Hello friends, and wish you all a very happy Founders Day. About Babuji, or Dadaji like you used to call him, I can only say that I've been very fortunate enough to have known him personally, to have grown up with him. Every day was a learning process with him. I have never seen a hardworking person as he was. Dedicated, like whatever work he would undertake, he would see to it that he does it. A never say die attitude, and that what we have learned so much from him, and it reflects in the work we do. And it was his wish or brainchild to set up schools, and he set up 3 wonderful schools, 2 of which I have been fortunate enough to be part of it since inception, since we conceived the idea. and both the schools of Pune, like we have completed the work in record time, and gives me great proud. I feel really so proud. But I can only tell you, this was all because what we have seen Babuji as he was. You have to do it, just do it. Finish the work, nothing else. No excuses, nothing. And same is with our chairman, sir, Deepak Bhai. It's very tough to work with him, but it's always a learning process with him too. And it was only because of his support and our chairperson, Aarti ma'am, and Mitesh Bhai, all their support, that we could see these 3 wonderful schools, at least 2 wonderful schools which I have been part of, I can say about that. This is the beginning of the 10th year of Mansukh Bhai Kothari National School, and it has been a very nice journey. Thanks to everyone, all our trustees, chairman sir, chairperson, Mitesh Bhai, everyone, and we hope to see more schools come up. We are thankful. All the best.
As the principal of Kothari International School, Pune, I have immersed myself in inspiring each member of the family with an authentic education, which is gradually going to take them to their individual best. I'm immersed in creating an oxygenated culture of freedom where creativity of our teachers and students keep unfolding. And I enjoy creating opportunities for our students and teachers to seek their own strength. Upholding the values, vision, and the mission of KIS entrusted upon me, I'm humbled and express my gratitude to our founder, late Shri Mansukh Bhai Kothari, our chairperson, Mrs. Aarti Kothari, our chairman, Mr. Deepak Kothari, and most importantly, the parents, students, teachers, and the staff of KIS Pune. Thank you all. Thank you all for the constant support that all of you have given in shaping this institution. And I'm sure you would remain in unity of vision during the journey of the excellence at KIS.
Hello everyone. Warm wishes and greetings of Founders Day to all the family members of KIS and MKNS. We are really blessed to have vision of a great visionary thinker. This Founders Day not only motivates us but encourages us to accomplish better and better results to fulfill the dreams of our founder, Babuji. After serving more than 39 years in a bank, when I got a chance to serve in KIS as admin head, I grabbed it with both the hands, not because of any other reason, but to relive and rejoice my old golden memories with kids here. Believe me, when these kids wish me good morning, it really makes my morning good in 2 senses. These wonderful kids give me numerous moments to smile and laugh from the core of my heart. We, the members of KIS family, are lucky to have such a caring and inspirational management. I am really enjoying the second inning of my life more than anything else. A big thank you to my management for thinking of me to serve in KIS. Once again, happy Founders Day to all of us. Namaskar.
Namaste. Founders Day holds a special place with us. Ambition is defined as a strong desire to do or to achieve something, which requires determination, vision, and hard work. Remembering our founder, Mr. Mansukh Bhai Kothari, fondly call him as Bapuji, who was inspiring and ambitious and desired to establish our school, Kothari International School. though he is not around us physically. But his learnings, his teachings will always remain with us. May we be equally inspired and ambitious to carry his good work and the days ahead. Bapuji always believed in saying, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much, which is the very ethos and the essence of our own school. United we stand. So let us all together take our school to the new heights. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Afreen and I am a teacher at KIS. So I have been a part of KIS since 2016, which is almost, I am as old as KIS is in this institution. So we did have a little ups and downs in the very beginning, but now the way that I see the school grow from a single room to the building with 7 floors is just amazing, and I feel so proud, so happy to witness the growth that KIS has shown. It has become like a family to us. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Ishita ma'am to make us where we are today, and I am pretty sure that everybody would definitely agree that you definitely did make KIS a better place for us. And also a big thank you to all our students who come to school and make the building a lively place. Without you, the school in itself would not have been what it is. So a big thank you to our students who actually are the face of KIS, and I am extremely proud of each and every one of you. Wish you a very happy Founders Day. Thank you. Signing off.
Namaste. My name is Saloni Oswal and I'm the pre-primary coordinator. It's been 4 years that I've been a part of KIS family. After completing my education, this was my first opportunity to serve in any institution. I am lucky to be a part of KIS family. With KIS, I have learned a lot and grown in all ways. It was a wonderful journey exploring and the joy of serving the society. Babuji, you are a great source of inspiration. Thank you for setting the vision and planting the seed of knowledge and blooming the society of tomorrow. I am very happy and glad to be a part of KIS family. Thank you so much.
Before I joined Kothari International School, I was not known about the CBSE curriculum. I was blank and didn't know how to go about it. But it's my gratitude to the school that I didn't face any difficulties even when I didn't know about it. The school has a very big contribution in enhancing my education in the higher classes, and I thank the founder of the school for creating a chain of such excellent institutions. The school helped me enhance my leadership qualities by appointing me as the school president for the year 2018 to 2019. Participation in the student council as a sports captain and the school president gave me chances of understanding how decision making can be done along with the cooperation of the other council members. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Akansha Kotia of class 10, and today I am very glad to talk about my school. 24th of July is the day when our school started its journey. Kothari International School has given me an opportunity to develop myself, and for that I will forever be grateful. Because of my school, I was able to develop my confidence and overcome on shyness. This is the platform, that is my school, where I was able to put up my ideas. The magical teaching of the teachers have blessed my life, and I can only express this by my imagination. The school has not only provided me education, but also it has given me the values and imagination which I will never forget till my last of my lifetime. I love my school and I am very thankful to my teachers and my friends.
Growth is the process of responding positively to change. As rightly said by Paul Harvey, when you grow, you experience change, and that must be taken positively as a part of your growth. Namaste to everyone. Today, I, Sai Rakesh, am here to express my thoughts and my gradual growth at KIS. Since my 3-year journey at KIS, I've learned to rise and break my borders of learning. My teachers have taught me that we must never stop learning because life never stops teaching. My teachers not only teach, they encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. KIS not only showed me the right path to travel, they also showed me the correct speed at which I must travel. KIS taught me that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I never saw my school as a school. I saw it as my home where I lived to learn, explore, discover, and finally create. And the reason for this journey were all my teachers and my fellow students. Every single day of mine at school was a step ahead in my learning process. Each day made me learn something new and reflect back on what I learned. We must risk going too far to discover just how far we can go. Nelson Mandela once said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And now when I come back to think over that, I feel that my teachers didn't just educate me, but they also made me discover things over time. I would like to conclude by saying that excellence is not being the best, but doing the best. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I am Madhviksha. I joined this school when I was 3 years old. And now it's been 3 years that I am studying and growing in this school. Today is a very special day. As we all know, it's our Founders Day. The name of our school's founder is late Shri Manjukala Kothari ji. We all call him Babu ji. Babu ji was a hard-working and diligent person. He worked hard with complete compassion. We have 3 successfully running schools in India, and all our schools preach compassion and ahimsa. We are glad that we are blessed by the vision of this great individual whom we call Babu ji. We love you, we miss you, and thank you for providing us with such quality education. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sai, father of Sai Rakesh, studying in grade 10. The purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. At Kothari International School, you will have the opportunity to experience things you have never experienced before. Kothari has highly experienced teachers who don't pressure but eases the minds of students to help them shape their future career. According to me, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. I am glad that I have found Kothari International School Karadi for my son's future growth. Thank you so much.
Hi, it has been an amazing journey with the Kothari International School, Pune. The school provides world-class infrastructure, amenities, teaching methodologies, with a good sprinkling of extracurricular activities. The school organizes enough contests promoting fitness and also celebrating the traditions. Even during these times, the teachers have shown extreme passion and ownership and have proven that classes can be generated anywhere. Couldn't be more happier and pleased than with Kothari International School, Pune. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Soumya.
Hi, I'm Satyavrat.
We are the parents of Aditya Raj, who is studying in grade 1. We have been starting Aditya's school from this particular school in Pune, from the K1, and we are very happy and excited to see Aditya grow and shine each and every day.
We are not just happy with the curriculum and the academics that the school is providing, we are also happy with the all-round development of our child.
During this pandemic time, the school has come up with excellent features of online teaching. The teachers are well equipped, well trained to understand the situation of capturing students' mind. We are very grateful and thankful to the teaching staff and the principal ma'am.
Yes, we have seen Aditya grow day by day, and he has picked up tremendously well in the past few years. And I should appreciate that with this pandemic situation going on, the school is providing all kind of best infrastructure and taking care of each child. They're taking turns to teach everybody, and then have the tremendous amount of focus in the 40-minute session. The platform that the school has come up with is commendable, and we are also getting to see the daily improvements in the child. So thank you so much for taking care of our child.
And one thing to add, it's not just about the academics. We are seeing a growth in the arts, in the music part also. Though it's a pandemic situation, but the school has not stopped providing more and more techniques how to teach the child from the art perspective, from the life skills perspective, or from the music perspective. We thank you a lot, and we are happy that every day Aditya stands up and takes up his class and enjoys thoroughly his class. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I am Vishal Kumar, studying in KIS since 2018. KIS has been more than a school to me. I can proudly say that KIS is my second home. My growth in personality as well as my academics was tremendous, just like how additional stories were added to the school's building every year. I, being the vice president of the school during the year 2018 to 19, was given many opportunities to address the audiences and the crowd during the cultural programs which took place in the school. It really helped me to boost my self-confidence as well as my speaking skills, leaving behind my stage fear. Compared to my past experiences in schooling, the environment at KIS is very welcoming and well-wishing. My teachers were very helpful, and they made sure that individual attention is given to each and every student present in the class, which really helped me to grow academically. Lastly, I again would like to thank the school, due to which I met my amazing gang of classmates, with also popularly known as the Super 11, with whom I made countless memories, which will be remembered for a lifetime. Thank you, KIS.
Good afternoon, and we are here collectively with the coordinator of high school, Rishali, the middle school coordinator, Afreen, and our pre-primary and grade 1 coordinator, Saloni, and of course the editor of KIS I Create, the newsletter, which we always launch on every quarter. But today, being a special day, we are celebrating the Founders Day, and on this day, today we are launching KIS I Create, as we are dedicating this newsletter to our founder, Shri Mansukh Bhai Kothari, and our team has worked really with a lot of effort. And since we are sharing the visionary leader who gave birth to the KIS family, we are dedicating this special newsletter to our founder and of course to our very dear chairperson. Urmi, would you like to say something on the launch?
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. So I hope you and your beloved ones are hale and hearty. Today is a very special and auspicious day for Kothari International School. Yes, it is our Founders Day. Since morning, we have been busy in celebrating this day with our students via these online sessions. We did lots of activities. So I thought of why not launching our newsletter with all of you on this auspicious day. And here you can see our newsletter. Hi, I am Urmi Datta. I am the editor of our newsletter, the I Create section. And to me, it is a profound pleasure and excitement also of launching our newsletter. Like last year, this year also we have beautiful notes from our dear Aarti ma'am, our beloved Ishita ma'am, from me also, and our little yet creative minds and their jaw-dropping creations. You all can see here lots of images have been added, their arts, their craft, their write-ups, many things are there. So I'm requesting all of you, please go through, have a look, and please share your views. And also, please share our newsletter with all of your connections, your family, your friends, and everyone. I hope you all will like it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Urmi, for the effort that you've taken collectively, which you do every quarter. But today being a special day, it is a special recognition for you as well. Let's move on to Saloni. How has your experience been? Because even your little ones, Saloni, have put in their artwork here. So share some of your experience. I think we have lost Saloni. Let's hear it from Afreen then.
Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Afreen and thank you ma'am for doing this on this auspicious day. As I have been a part of Kothari International School since its very beginning, and I know that launching a newsletter was very crucial for us, which we did successfully in these past 2 years. And it has definitely, boosted the morale of our students to be creative, to write, to express. They have definitely found it as a way of medium to express their writings. They have been encouraged. And I think, we teachers are providing them this platform of expressing through any kind of mediums they wish. Now that we have shifted our entire schooling system onto the online platform, the whole process has changed. But I think the happiness, the joy that they feel by featuring in our newsletter is completely different than from, just regular talking that they do, the regular work that they do. They feel special when they see their names on the I Create magazine. And I'm pretty sure that we can keep encouraging our students to keep working like this. And as you can see, beautiful drawings put in from the pre-primary right up till the 10th standard. We always encourage our students to be expressive in any form. So that is what I feel. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Lovely. Rishali, let's hear you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, Urmi ma'am, thank you so much for bringing out this lovely presentation on the different forms of the work that students have created themselves, what the school has been doing since last 2 years, totally different platform this year. They have given their creativity in a different aspect rather than just going ahead only with the writing part. They have already contributed through the online sessions also, the work that you have been asking them to contribute for their magazine. And yet this shows that the creative inclination of these students, how they can move ahead, and the different experience for showing that they can do much more than just being there as an academic or as in a school. So this time in a different scenario, altogether different platforms, yes, I would definitely say hats off to our students and to you both. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to students and to the teachers also for providing a different vision and different experience altogether.
Thank you so much, Sharima.
So lovely. And with that, we hope all parents and students would read the magazine and the newsletter created by the students, by the parents, by the teachers with so much of love and affection, which is always served to you 4 times in a year And since it's a Founders Day, we are launching it in a special way. Thank you, all of you, for joining us on the launch.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is a very special day for the whole KIS family, as it's a Founders Day, and on this special occasion, we are presenting at KIS I Create a newsletter. Great efforts put in by the whole team, and it is a great platform for everyone to showcase their creativity. And a special thank you to Principal Ma'am and our editor of the newsletter, Urmi Ma'am. Thank you so much.
I am Arpita, working as an ICT in charge at KIS since 2017. The school had given me lots of opportunities to come out of my comfort zone and try new things out. The video which you are seeing is being compiled by me. It's a small tribute to Bapuji from all of us. I would like to thank parents, students, teachers, admin staff, principal ma'am and management who taken out time from their busy schedule and submit their testimonials. I hope you all like this video. Thank you again for all of you for viewing this video.